just heading out of Bridgetown, and I have to thank Steve for picking these roads because they're beautifully wooded roads, and we've got the lovely jarrah trees and karri trees on each side of the road, and the drive was very picturesque, and also the weather was starting to clear up a little bit, although the wind was picking up somewhat. And we just arrived here in Nannup, and we're just going to go to the Blackwood Cafe, which is just across the road up there. We couldn't get a parking spot because the main street's quite busy, but so we just parked up on the side street. So that was a pretty good run from Bridgetown to Nannup, and we got all the cars here. Yeah, it was a little bit rainy at times, but the road was clear, wasn't too much rubbish and that on the road, so that was a good thing. And oh, I don't know, something's going on here. We'll have to check it out with the wiper. Well, running repair. Actually, best thing to do is get one of those Euro ones fitted. That's what I had done. You can put it on, and then they just fit the Euro ones in.
You have to pull them apart, pole, like that.
You push them together so it releases the
and then
push that down.
That's it. And then just reverse the arm.
So
there we go. Looks like we've got it repaired. Okay, we'll leave them to it, and we're going to go and get a coffee. BALINGUP, so we've just done the BALINGUP Nannup Road in reverse, and we're just going to head up to Donnybrook now. So we're cutting across all the southwest of Western Australia. Donnybrook. Anyway, so now we're heading from Donnybrook up to Waroona, and from Waroona then we're heading off to get some lunch. But just got to wait for this traffic here. And some of the people have had to peel off and go home because they've got you know, personal issues they need to deal with because the weekend's coming to an end. We're going to head on and keep enjoying our Lotus cars. Well, lunch is just about to be served, and it's pizzas all around. And they have a very good reputation here at the Ferguson Falls Wine Cafe. So we're going to go and try their wares. Well, we stuffed ourselves silly with pizza, and it was out and back in the cars and back on the road again. Well, there's only about 4 cars left currently, but we still enjoyed some lovely roads on the way up to Waroona, and I'd just like to thank Club Lotus WA for overseeing all of the drives for this weekend. And if you've got a Lotus car, or you've got any car that you would like to come and join us in the southwest of West Australia, contact Club Lotus WA on Facebook. Finished up at Waroona and fueled up, and most of the people sort of headed up on their own ways. A couple of them wanted to go up towards Wellingup again, but yeah, that's pretty much the end of our Lotus weekend, and I'm just heading home back to my house right now. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and remember to follow Wano Photos and subscribe to my new YouTube channel, Wano Photos Lotus Cars, where you can find some more content, especially if you prefer to watch it in the high resolution YouTube